Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So before starting, I just want to mention one thing, that if you are new to my channel, please like, share, subscribe and do press the bell icon. So welcome back once again, and today we are going to do a structure which is come what may. Come what may को हिंदी में बोलते हैं चाहे जो हो जाए. Okay. So before going through the format of the structure, let's go through an example. Let's take an example. So suppose when we are told not to go to somewhere and we are like कि मैं तो वहाँ जाऊँगी, चाहे जो भी हो जाए मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी. Someone is saying that no, you should not go to that place, and हम जिद पर आ जाते हैं कि नहीं बाबा चाहे जो भी हो जाए मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी. So this word चाहे जो भी हो जाए is come what may in English. So it will be something like this: come what may, I will go there. So let's learn how to make the sentence with the help of the structure format, and the structure is come what may plus subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. So let's see some sentence, some examples. Number 1, come what may, I will not talk to her. चाहे जो भी हो जाए मैं उससे बात नहीं करूँगी. Number 2, come what may, I will go there. चाहे जो भी हो जाए मैं वहाँ जाऊँगी. Number 3, come what may, she will attend her marriage party. Number 4, come what may, he will talk to her. चाहे जो भी हो जाए वो उससे बात करेगा. Next one, come what may, I will win this game. Come what may, she will participate in the competition. Next one, come what may, I will meet her tomorrow. चाहे जो भी हो जाए मैं उससे कल मिलूंगी. So these are some examples from the word come what may, चाहे जो भी हो जाए. I hope you got to know something good. So please stay connected. Thank you so much.